Get into a car with value. 2018 Honda CR-V. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.